Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We have something new and exciting from Coachmen RV. We are at the Coachmen Dealer Expo in Elkhart, and they have just released, this is the prototype of the RVEX full 100% electric RV. Approximately 270 miles of all electric range. Let's take a look inside. We have very futuristic looking dash, and it's just a great layout. Now it's built on the Brightdrop chassis. Let's look in some of the features, and I'll explain a little bit about the unit itself. So I'm told it has approximately 270 miles of range. We have a 1 kilowatt hour battery on board, just dedicated for the house itself, plus a solar panel on the roof to maintain that battery, which would allow you to run the air conditioner for an extremely long period of time. And when I say long period of time, they're estimating in the range of 10 plus hours of running time. Now, true induction cooktop, single stainless steel, black stainless steel sink, lots of storage around, especially for a smaller unit, right? Big storage underneath. Let's pop out the drawers. You'll notice the drawers are plywood. They're both deep in height as well as depth. European glides, and there's 3 of those drawers. Now what they've done is they have a wet bath here for the washroom to maximize on living space, because you don't spend a ton of time in the shower and the washroom. So full fiberglass surround, all wet bath. One important note is the sink in the corner here for washing hands, etc., as some wet baths don't actually have that. As we explore some more of the storage, you know, here's a pull-out pantry. Now, what's nice about this platform is it's the Brightdrop platform that they're using to build this motorhome on. So you have 2 separate beds here, but I believe you can actually put an insert and make it one large bed across the board. Up top, we have a number of shelves, both on the left and the right. And as you notice, the back of the unit does open up to have that open air feel. Now this is a prototype, which means there's going to be some changes, just in some enhancements, but in general this is what it looks like. Acrylic windows to keep the weight down. They pop open up, and you have your day shades in the bottom and your night shades that pull from the top. Now price point, I understand, is unheard of, that this is going to be a really well-priced unit that would be a great starter unit for those that want to get into the RV industry and travel. Now you can charge this unit on a 240 volt system. You can take it and charge it at upwards of 300 volts at an automotive charger. When you're in the campground, you can plug in to your 50 amp or even 30 amp plugs and actually charge the system itself. Let's go around the other side and take a look at the unit right around. So you have large entry doors, large windows on the side. The finish is a very unique style. This back swing door that allows you to have access to the rear, and then the large window that actually pops up over here to get that open air feeling. Looks pretty unique. It's a great way to travel. Here's our hookups. As you can see, that's a traditional 50 amp cord there that's plugged into the unit. Your charging is right back, so you can get out, travel across the country, charge at automotive stations. It's actually at the size that's very convenient to get into an automotive charging, where some of the units that are being prototyped right now are very large and not convenient for the charging network that is currently available across the country because of the larger size, where this keeps it a little more compact, gives you all the features that you would want at a great price point. Something to think about. It's great to see this innovation. We saw, you know, the Euro a few years ago, which was out of the box thinking, and now we have the RVEX by Coachmen. I think there's some really great things to come. Time to start inquiring at your dealers to get your hands on one. I think this will be a new way of camping. Thanks for watching the video. Please click the like and subscribe. Check back soon for more updates on great products from Coachmen and other manufacturers. Thanks everyone. Take care.